3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play some classic Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, Learning to Fly. And this song only has 4 chords. We got F major, 1, 2, 3. And let's add the pinky on the high E string on 3rd fret. And we're gonna keep it there when we go to move to C. 1, 2, 3. Keep the pinky. And then we're gonna go to an A minor. Keep the pinky where it is. So 2, 3. And then finally the G major, and we keep the pinky where it is. We can play this G major that doesn't have the low 3rd, so mute the A string. Okay, and strumming is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Verses we can mute. And then we open up for the chorus. And before the guitar solo, we stay on the G. Maybe make it a G sus. Guitar solo over the same chords. That's the whole song, folks, and a little breakdown there in the middle. Same chords though. So when you play the G sus over the G, when you play the G, you just add your first finger on the 1st fret B string. It's gonna make it a sus. Fun, easy song. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Take it easy.